So we do restoration, custom painting. You can custom paint a new truck, or we can custom build you a rat rod. So we basically do it all. What I've got is a 68 Nova. Basically a street rod that looks like a muscle car. This is a 632 big block, big chief headed motor. It's got twin precision 88mm turbos, precision wastegates, precision blow-off valves. So with the radiator in this build, we've set it up where we can pop a couple Jiffy Tights off and it will just pick up out of the car to lose weight. It will get drove in traffic. It will be at stoplights. It will do everything that a street car does. So we did need something that would be able to keep the engine cool, but still wanted to be able to take it out to be a race car. So to slow this beast down, we went with Brakeman brakes. They're the best in the stopping business. Jason's a great guy to deal with. And then for wheels, we went with Weld V-Series, 17s on the front, 15s on the back. They're lightweight, they look good. And then for the exhaust on it, we went with a Fender exit exhaust, and then we've incorporated the wastegate into the shape of the tip, you know, and we wanted to have all one shape. We've got the exhaust here, and then we went in here and Frenched this in for the wastegate. So something people may not notice is the custom Richardson Brothers Racing steering wheel that we went with. It's custom made to match the front V-Series wheels. So we've got the Mark Mickey shifter to go with the Mark Mickey Turbo 400 transmission, which will be putting the power through the gear vendor box on the highway and through the track. On the wing, we wanted something where we didn't have the strut bars running down to the taillight panel to where we had to unpin them. We've just got the molded pieces here that run into the trunk lid, and as you can see from the top side, it is smoothed into the trunk, so once it's all painted, you won't even see the transition from the trunk to the wing. And we've got a 17-gallon fuel tank. This is removable. And then we've got the DJ Safety fire suppression system here. And then we've got the DJ Safety parachute launchers. And for the speed that this car is going to be running, it's required to have 2 chutes. Really, for a car builder, I guess, SEMA Battle of the Builders is, I mean, it's it. If you can get into that, you would automatically just feel like you made it in the car building industry. I mean, there's no other place that you can go and get that kind of exposure. So, and with this project, with the level that it's built on, this was just the one. It's got everything. It's the street car, it's the street rod, it's the muscle car, it's got all the worlds combined. So what better to do with than to put it in SEMA Battle of the Builders?